do you do that?
It's loaded. Just press the trigger.
It's ready to go?
Yeah.
Do I need two hands?
If you want to aim, it doesn't have much of a kick. I hit 200 bottles with that little gun.
Nice. Is it ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should be.
No.
Get it again. There.
No, it's jammed.
Just keep the shot.
Okay.
I think it's just that the safety, that one safety's loose.
No.
Nah? Yeah.
Still not.
See what happens now. So the revolvers are more reliable. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out what's wrong with this one too. I got doing the same thing that the rifle's doing. It's not doing the same thing that the rifle's doing. It's not